Right, today we're going to bring a speaker, and this is a Bluetooth speaker. Functions are right in the front. This is connection type C to connect and charge it. This is submergible, has RGB lighting, and of course it has a LCD screen in here, and it has play, pause, and then a power on, and also these different modes, plus and minus, and of course forward and backwards, and then the light show here too. To turn it on, you hold down the button, right? 1, 2, 3, and it turns on. Power on. Bluetooth mode. You got full battery. Also, there's a clock built in here. Lighting show, you could change it from here. Look at that, different colors. Just keep clicking. Of course, we're gonna sync this up to our phone too, so you guys can see how it works. But I like the whole around. You could hang this if you want, if you are working in a shop, indoors or outdoors. Like I said, this is waterproof, running, swimming, everything. This is it floats to the top, so you don't have to worry about submerging all the way down, and you won't lose this in a pool, in a beach, or in a river, because of the actual RGB lighting. And of course, to turn it off, you hold down the button,
power off,
and it turns off. You could play your audio, and of course, we're gonna play an audio right here that we're playing earlier. So we're gonna go into a YouTube video. We're gonna go into a YouTube video, so you can see here how loud this thing is, because it is really cold. So if you guys are looking for something like this, very comfortable, walking in or out of the house. Whoa, I recommend this thing's loud. And even if you walk outside to let's just sit out underwater.
Hey, let's take a look at this DT360 RGB. Let's take a look at the display, of course, and it comes with
RGB light
set up first on the actual motherboard before you set this up. All right, so let's go ahead and do that.